mold, mildew, and moss on the north side of a fence rail or decking. And it just takes it right back down to the wood, and it gives you that brand new look again.
Right.
But it's controllable power.
That's right, controllable and adjustable nozzle. That's what makes this unique, and I'm going to show you the details of that nozzle. But look what we've done here, Dan. We've removed the mold, the mildew, years. This could be the deck, this could be the side of the house, the trellis, that wood bench outside that you thought that's going to go out on the street, and we're going to get rid of it. You can clean, you can restore, and the wonderful thing is we've done this without any detergent at all.
No
just
chemicals.
The power of water.
Yep.
And we're taking that pressure, wrapping it up over 30 times the pressure of a regular garden hose.
So you would assume, therefore, you're using a lot more water.
You would assume that, but you'd be wrong, because you're actually saving about 80% of the water.
That's amazing.
So, you know, it's great. And if you have a low water pressure on your well at home, it doesn't matter. Or if you have low water pressure from your city water pressure, this takes it. It doesn't matter if it's 20 PSI or 50 PSI like a regular one is, wraps it up to 1800 PSI so
Beautiful.
you can do the cleaning. But look what we've done there. And I want to show you, because, you know, some people will think, well, you know, if I have a garden hose and I have good garden hose pressure, nothing will change.
All your
PSI.
garden hose can do is get it wet.
Right.
That
It'll
isn't
change
enough
the
force
velocity.
to clean.
Right. But look here. I'll spray here. You'll see here. You know, all we're doing is we're getting it wet. But now, watch in those same areas. Look at that. We just peel that, expose the green, take away the green, expose the wood again. And look at this nozzle, Dan. This is adjustable. We can take it like this. We can go to a pencil jet, and with that, we can have a nice long reach.
I can clean the third story windows, flat foot on the ground, and not get on a ladder.
That's right.
That's
you can
huge
reach
to
up
me.
high, and then also you can go wide about a 30 degree for more delicate things like your vehicles, your cushions, your
Patio
awnings,
furniture?
your
Okay.
patio furniture, any of those
And
areas.
it used to be that you had to put different tips in, apertures, and some units still use those. The more industrial units will. But now this is so easy to do. There's no motor that you've got to pull start. There's no gas you have to put into it. It runs off your outdoor current. You just plug it into an outdoor receptacle, a GFI, and you're ready to go.
That's right. Here you'll see here, so simple. Garden hose attaches here with a quick connect. High pressure hose here.
And the non-pressure hose is what, 20 feet?
20 feet of high pressure hose, 35 feet of power cord. The switch is right here. That's all there is to it.
The unit comes on wheels, so it's easy to move around. It is really a beautiful machine. It, by the way, was designed for QVC.
That's right.
This is an onboard soap tank, so you can wash your automobiles, RVs, SUVs. You can do
sidewalk, maybe that
recreational
driveway
vehicles.
where you need a degreaser, but also maybe you have a painting project coming up, and this is the best way to prepare for painting jobs. Get the dirt, the cobwebs, the spider webs. But look at that, we can get right into there, whether it's the shutters, any of those areas, we can get in there quickly. Nice, lightweight, balanced trigger gun. Anybody can do it. And the nice thing is no more relying on somebody else to do it. You can do it yourself. Or you don't have to rely on renting a machine, which could cost up to $77 a day. So you got all kinds of options.
So basically, for what it would cost to rent a unit for an extended weekend, you own it. There is no shipping and handling. That's covered. Now again, you'll want to use it after it warms up. You want to make sure it's above the freezing point, and you may wait till April. Some of you may be a little later. But the best time to buy a piece of equipment like this is in the off season. That's why we can offer it at a feature price of $166.20. See all the black on the walkway? I am telling you, in virtually anywhere that you live in the country, the winter has been so rough this year that has built up on virtually every hard surface. You'll find yourself using this machine much more often than you thought you would, because it cleans so effectively. Stores away, it's easy, it's simple, it's not a frightening machine the way the old big fashion units used to be. Man.
Compact. Also, quiet. It's not going to disturb your neighbors compared to a big gas engine
Right.
machine. So now it also includes the turbo nozzle. You saw when I had that pencil jet spray before.
It's actually circling.
That's right. What this does is it takes that and it rotates, and you use this on patio pavers like you see here. Here I have a natural one here with has some moss and mold in it, and all of those hard surfaces. Concrete. Whoop. I got to get my trigger gun or wand in there properly.
I like the way the wand, it's a bayonet, it's a quick connect. So you'll use that rotating nozzle on your really hard surfaces. It's an industrial quality machine. We do not offer a more powerful blue clean than our entire assortment of pressure washers. 1800 PSI is as high as we offer at this particular point. See the black on the upper portion of that stone? That's all natural.
That's right.
And the only way to get it off is to hit it with a pressure washer. I take that back. You can do it with chemicals and scrubbing, but who's going to do that?
That's right. And the great thing is you're saving water. That turbo nozzle is also wonderful on sidewalks and driveways, garage floors.
Garage floors especially,
right. And I want to show you, we can also, we go to our pencil jet here, we can adjust. And if we want to apply detergent, we just twist the low pressure. Here you'll see we have detergent. Then we can go back to high pressure, and we can do our actual detail cleaning.
When it gets to be March and it's 35 degrees, it's a little above freezing. The car is so filthy you haven't washed it in weeks and weeks. You can get out there and do that and never actually have to touch the water at all.
That's right.
Let your pressure washer do all the work. There's a lot of built-in features on this that make it nice. The onboard storage, again, that's a high pressure hose, 20 feet in length. You've got 35 feet on your
power cord.
The bigger button, that was a QVC request. Our audience asked for it. We now also have colors. And we've never done, I don't remember them ever doing that in pressure washers, but we've got the blue, the platinum, and I think we're calling this one bronze. But it's got a nice wheel assembly on it so you can roll them. You don't have to carry them. And that's a big electric unit.
That's right. And also great for vinyl siding, stucco. Here you see, we can get right in there. And we can go directly from that. We can go to like a plastic resin chair, and here you'll see ones where we have
that's been sitting on the north side of the house. Yep.
Yeah, but watch this, Dan. Look at that.
It turns back the clock, and you don't realize how filthy things become because it builds up over days, weeks, and months. But if you hit your front walkway, you'll very quickly see the difference. And I'm telling you, when you spruce everything up and get it cleaned up, we're going to spend more time outdoors this year than I think we have in a lot of subsequent years previous, because we're so fed up with being stuck in the house.
And nothing's better than when you go outside, you see your patio furniture, everything is nice and clean and pristine, and you did it without using bleach, you did it without using any chemicals, and here you'll see, here even with wicker.
How would you even clean that without a pressure washer, John? Because just trying to get into those little nooks and crannies would be really hard to do.
But it can reach down into the fabric of the wicker itself, you know, and the patio chairs, the grill cover, it's literally endless.
Everything that's outside.
Yes.
So, your lawnmower, from your lawnmower to the ATV to automobiles, etc. This is, again, an 1800 PSI. We do not offer a more powerful Blue Clean in our entire assortment at this particular point. John, do you remember that videotape?
That's
when it was warm.
Yes. Things are green outside.
Thank you, sir.
All right.
Rachel, what do you have?
I have one of my favorite brands here. Look at that steam. That is impressive, right? Check out these colors. Paisley in a pink, paisley in a purple. Check out that brand name. What does that say right there? Rowenta. What does this say here? Made in Germany. Okay, we already know the Rowenta is the creme de la creme when it comes to irons. And you know, if you ironed today, I bet you did. Did you have